Meaning of gag.
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 Gag. The term gag has multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to hinder someone's ability to speak or make noise, and can refer to a physical obstruction placed in someone's mouth, or a figurative restriction on their freedom of speech. Gag can also be used as a synonym for a joke or humorous remark, particularly in the entertainment industry. Additionally, in the context of law enforcement, gag may refer to a court order that prohibits the disclosure of certain information. Overall, gag typically relates to some form of limitation on communication or expression.